SERV Stock Analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end, find out. So SERV Robotics sitting at a good 12% down for the day, and yeah, my previous buys were just phenomenal.
SERV.
Like, if you don't believe me, this video was made 5 days ago.
If I don't, obviously I'm not gonna.
But look at this shit. This was 15-minute chart. 15-minute chart right now. After, before, after, and
Trade. So
yeah, my confirmation beautifully just, yeah, it's crazy good. Since this delivered, what's next though? Like, am I gonna continue to buy? Sure, you know, sure. I'm looking to double down on this bullish market, because why would I go short here? Yeah, but obviously I'm not just gonna randomly buy. I want my Wyckoff accumulation to be met in order for me to get involved. Like everything else in the meantime, just pure noise, pure proper noise. That's what I say. So that's how SERV looks like for me. This does not look that I'm gonna buy tomorrow or in the next days. I'm saying that my rules need to be met in order for me to move. So we'll continue to keep you updated. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. There is a free newsletter.